Hello everyone. So in this video, I'll show you how you can play two songs with metronome. So metronome follows the tempo. Tempo is nothing but speed of the song, and for the songs which I'm going to teach now, that is Twinkle Twinkle and Ode to Joy. So the first song Twinkle Twinkle, the tempo is 80. So I'll use this phone to play the metronome beat. So I have kept 80. So I'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this was the first song which you can practice daily with metronome. The other song is Ode to Joy. For Ode to Joy, the tempo is 95. So I'm going to keep 95. I kept 95. Same thing. We'll follow the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how you can practice.